A timeless piece of architecture, it's not just about appearance. It's the perfect balance of purpose and function. We are Elie and Natasha of La Fleur Paris. With a vision for something different, we crafted our first men's bag. A combination of utility and aesthetic. Introducing LEBOBO, crafted with precision, balancing form and function. Inside, carefully designed compartment for your daily needs. A detachable central piece to make extra space when needed. Every item has its place. On the outside, a design that adapts to you from bedroom to cafe, street to park, always composed, always elevating your presence. LEBOBO transform with you. Backpack, briefcase, crossbody, one form, three-weight wear. Crafted from premium cork oak skin, it's light, water-resistant, durable, and sustainable. When form and function connect, everything falls into place, giving you the confidence to stand out. LEBOBO, the new men's backpack by La Fleur Paris.